Thank you for checking out this video. I am returning to service call that was extremely difficult. It was definitely the service call from hell. And this is called Service Call from Hell 2, because I am going back to this house for like the 7th or 8th time to find out what's going on with the water heater. So it is flashing here as I open the cabinet, and I count these flashes. We have 10 of them. So this is a code 10, or a 10 flash, or a fault code 10. So when you look up a 10 flashes in the manual, it's got it as a combustion chamber contaminants. So that's basically a dirty combustion chamber, or something's going on with a combustion chamber. This is a 2020 water heater, so it's only a couple years old, so I'm finding it a little hard to believe that it's had enough time to have the combustion chamber get dirty. But I'm digging into it right here so I can check out the combustion chamber and get it cleaned up and get it put back together. So that's what this video is about, is servicing a Rheem water heater with a Honeywell controller, or a Honeywell thermostat, or a Honeywell valve that is flashing 10 times and will not run. So, cleaning the combustion chamber. Thank you for watching. So you can see here, that's the bottom of the tank right there, how much soot is on it. There's also a lot of soot on top of the screen. That's the burner assembly right there. So it does have a lot of dust and a little bit of soot. I see that all the time. I never get those 10 flashes, but there's dust right there. But the mission tonight is to get that all cleaned up. A little bit of dust in the front. Usually you can just use a wet rag. That's what I have, to just kind of knock that ash down. There's a lot of ash stuck up there. It just helps it run, helps it breathe. And, you know, obviously gets rid of the contaminants that could potentially cause the flame. So what happens is the soot will build up over time, and it can cause the flame to be enlarged and possibly turn orange or yellow. And if that flame gets enlarged, there's a sensor that can pick up that heat, and that's probably what the controller, the Honeywell valve controller, picked up and triggered. Alright, so everything has been wiped down and cleaned up. I already went ahead and wiped the screen off, so I'm going to go ahead and reassemble the water heater here and put the burner assembly back in. It's just the reverse of taking it out. So there's just 2 screws that hold this section in, and then another 2 screws that hold the next section in. There are no gaskets in between, which is great. So you don't really have to worry about them ripping. You just drop the second section in like so, line everything up, reinstall the screws, and reconnect it to the valve. hopefully a lot of hot water. We're trying, yeah. So the error was, I cleaned it. There was a little bit of dust, but I didn't think there was too much dust. Well, it draws in air, so it draws in its combustion. I cleaned everything, so it's just one of those things. I think it's just real sensitive, you know. I adjusted the sensor on it a little bit so it wouldn't be as sensitive. So just, you know, do what it's supposed to do and make hot water. All right, everything is all assembled. Just made the final connections, just lighting it up right here, waiting for the light. Light came on, and you can see it fires up. That's a pretty good shot inside the combustion chamber. You can literally see the flames going right through the chimney inside. And just wanted to show this to you guys. So they use the copper flexible supply lines, and they have a tendency to pinch, and these are pinched really badly. Now here's the manual where I looked it up, and it says dirty combustion chamber, I believe. That would be a code 10. It's also labeled right there. It's the very last one. So it says burner screen right there, yeah. And they all reference the components inside the combustion chamber being dirty or contaminated. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you made it all the way through. That is on a fault code 10 from the service call from hell, or return to the service call from hell. Really hoping I don't have to come back to this job. It's a little crazy when they keep calling you over and over and over again. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing, trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. And you guys have a great day.